Supercharge your kitchen with the best commercial griddles of 2024. The right griddle can make or break your operation. In this video, we'll reveal the top models that deliver power, precision, and durability, saving you time, boosting your menu, and elevating your profits. Ranked number 3 are the Garland Heavy-Duty Gas Counter Thermostat Controlled Griddles, part of Garland's HD counter line. These griddles are crafted with a focus on quality and durability, offering the performance of full-sized equipment in a compact countertop design. Built to meet the needs of any commercial kitchen, they deliver powerful and consistent cooking results for both small and large food service operations. The heavy-duty griddles feature precise thermostat control, allowing chefs to maintain exact cooking temperatures for a variety of foods. The robust construction ensures they can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen, while the high-low valve control adds flexibility for better temperature management. Despite their countertop size, these griddles rival floor models in terms of power, durability, and reliability. Whether you're running a small cafe or a large restaurant, the Garland heavy-duty gas counter griddles provide the performance and reliability you need to handle high-volume cooking. Designed with both function and craftsmanship in mind, these griddles are an excellent choice for any professional kitchen looking to maximize space without compromising on power or quality. Ranked at number 2 is the Eurodib SFE04910 electric griddle, a high-quality stainless steel appliance designed for efficient cooking. Built to meet the highest standards, this griddle combines modern technology with a user-friendly design, making it ideal for both home kitchens and commercial settings. The SFE04910 features a spacious cooking surface that allows you to prepare large quantities of food at once, making it perfect for hosting events or large gatherings. Its non-stick surface ensures that cooking and cleaning are hassle-free, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Equipped with a stainless steel backsplash and a removable drip tray, this griddle is easy to maintain. The backsplash helps keep your cooking area clean by preventing splatters, while the drip tray collects excess grease and food particles, allowing for quick cleanup after use. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing meals for your family, this Eurodib electric griddle delivers consistent results. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. This versatile griddle provides both convenience and quality, perfect for those who need a dependable cooking appliance. Ranked at number 1 is the Viver 30-inch commercial electric griddle, a powerful 3,000 watts cooking appliance designed for both home and commercial kitchens. Its thickened and widened A3 iron plate ensures even heat distribution, thanks to its precise temperature control system. The stainless steel casing is both durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for cooking a variety of foods like meats, eggs, pancakes, and steaks. This electric griddle offers an adjustable temperature range from 122 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, providing flexibility to meet different cooking needs. Its enlarged work surface gives you plenty of space to prepare meals efficiently, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. After each use, it is recommended to clean it using a grill brush. This teppanyaki grill is easy to clean, with waste collected in an oil box. Includes brushes and shovels to enhance your cooking experience. The Viver electric griddle is perfect for commercial setups or anyone needing high-quality cooking equipment at home. Priced at $227, it's important to install the griddle on a heat-resistant workbench and leave enough space for the power cord, ensuring safety and convenience. That brings us to the end of this video on the best commercial griddles of 2024. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top if you found this video to be useful. Also leave your thoughts in the comments section below.